You want to know the one alarm reminder you can set up in your phone to change your well-being from 0% to 100%? By the end of this video, you will know the answer. Let's start. I am Armelle. After 15 years of a successful career and life, and improving the life of all the CEOs and important executives I worked for, my own life and the life of everyone around me, I decided to share my wisdom and all the tips I have accumulated. Today, I'm going to show you how, by using your alarm in your telephone, you can improve the level of your well-being and happiness, which is super important, because what are we without happiness? You can go from 0% to 100% in 10 minutes. I cannot show you on my phone because I'm using my phone to be talking to you right now, but I want you to take your phone. I'm sure you are already using your alarm in your phone as one of the greatest tools you have at your disposal. It's like your assistant, it's like your secretary. It's always there to remind you the important things. So you're using your alarm to set up when you wake up, to set up when you are going to meet your friends for a drink, to set up your next doctor appointment, and anything that is important. That's fantastic. Congratulations on using this superb tool. Now, I'm pretty sure that the one thing I want you to add to your alarm, the reminder I want you to add to your alarm right now, you have never thought about it. I never thought about it for the longest time until suddenly it came to my mind. So take your phone, take your alarm, go to set up new alarm, and it's going to be every day at the same time. So pick a time that works for you where you can be available for 15 minutes. I'm asking you 15 minutes time daily to have this transformation every day in your life. So pick noon, if that's a good time, after lunch or after work at 5 or 6 or in the morning when you wake up. Pick the time you want. Enter the time in your alarm and now set up the title. The title, the secret title is Check on Myself. How am I feeling? Check on myself. How am I feeling? And save the alarm. Tomorrow, at this time that you have selected, you are going to receive from your alarm a reminder. Check on myself. How am I feeling? How are you feeling? You have 15 minutes to determine how you're feeling and the solution to that feeling. Let's take 3 examples. There are many things, many feelings, but let's take 3 because that's the time we have right now. This is a short after all. So let's say you're feeling, how am I feeling? I'm feeling stressed. Great. You have a self-awareness of yourself. You are feeling stressed. Fine. Let's not judge that. 2, ask yourself, why am I feeling stressed? Oh, overworked, or a lot of worry about money right now because of a deadline, or too many things for the kids with their school and the one who is sick. What is the reason of your stress? 3, you have 15 minutes to make a change immediately. Find a solution to why you're stressed. If you're stressed because you have accumulated too much work, you're going to take a 10 minutes walk. You're going to go on your deck, in your garden, outdoor in the street. I don't care. You stand up immediately and you're going to break that stress. You see, you have determined how you feel. You have found a solution. You come back, your happiness level, your well-being has went from 0 to 100. Example number 2. How am I feeling? I'm feeling lonely. Okay, why are you feeling lonely? Feeling lonely because I've been indoor by myself too much and I'm not seeing enough people and I'm working by myself home and it's just feeling lonely. Okay, what is the solution to that in 10 minutes? You take your phone, you send a text message to your good friends and you say, hey, I'm missing you. Let's connect tonight after work or tomorrow or this weekend. I miss you, let's Zoom, let's catch up. You have found your solution. Example number 3. How am I feeling? I'm feeling damn good. I'm feeling like on the top of my game. I'm having a great time. Good, that's a beautiful realization. You're feeling great for whatever reason. You had promotion at work, or things are well at home, your relationship is working well, your kids are being very easy lately with you. So why are you so happy? Well, we just went through that, the reason of your happiness, of your joy. What can you do with that? In that case, you don't need to find a solution, but you need to find what are you going to do with all this joy and happiness. Well, maybe I can volunteer. Okay, make a research about volunteering. Or is there a friend that can help? Is there one of my passion I've been wanting to do for a while, but I can start now because I have all this energy and this joy. Voila, we just went through 3 concrete examples. There are many, but you just learned to put in your phone a daily reminder that will be the most important reminder of your lifetime. More important than when you wake up and when you go to the dentist. How am I feeling? Check on me. Find a solution to any feeling you have in 15 minutes. Thank you for trusting me. Thank you for following Happiness Wars. I see you very soon for more amazing tips of how to and secrets about increasing the level of and the quality of life on your life.